welcome to Holy Log Day 5. We are halfway there. मैं बनी हाय कर रहे हैं. हाय बोलो हाय. Hi, I'm RGV, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already. I am starting this vlog a little late today. It's 10 AM already. We've had our breakfast. We are both ready. We are going shopping. Are we shopping जा रहे? Shopping जा रहे? चल ले घूमी चल ले घूमी चल ले घूमी घूमी चल ले bye घूमी चलना घूमी जाएंगे. Somehow I like this makeup a lot more than the usual makeup that I've done, and this is like minimal makeup because I don't like doing makeup when I go shopping because then I feel it gets on the clothes. But so I did like the bare minimum, and somehow this is looking so much better. Baba चले घूमी चले shopping चले shopping. Bye. We are all strapped in and ready to go. I want to take this minute to tell you guys about these sunglasses. So I am extremely fuzzy about sunglasses. They're like just two pairs of sunglasses that I actually really like and I wear. And this is one of them, and this is from Madame. And honestly, although the clothes are lovely, but they don't fit my size. They say they have XL, but well, their XL is not XL. So, but they do brilliant sunglasses, and I've seen even more sunglasses in their shop, which I love. So if you're looking for sunglasses, then go to Madame because they have really good pairs, and I can't wait to go there and buy some reflectors because I don't have any and I want some.
अब दूर से देखते
लेके भागेगा अभी
इसको ना सरका दो अंदर. पूरी बात नहीं
सुन रहे क्या बोल क्या रहे हो. अरे वीर क्या बोल रहे हैं बाबा? नाना बाबा क्या बोल रहे हैं? My mom got a stuff for the vlog. बैठ जाओ. This is focus camera focus. ये वो है जो बलून थिंगी है.
हाँ, ये टूटी में लगा के
हाँ.
एंड ये अपने आप भर के और अपने आप नीचे गिर जाएगा. गांठ भी लगी हुई है. वो क्या
गार्ड भी नहीं मारनी,
कुछ नहीं करना. वो हेवी होगा वैसे स्लिप हो जाएगा एंड गांठ लगी हुई है ऑलरेडी.
अरे वीर आपको चाहिए
ये छोटे बच्चों का आकर्षण होता है होली में देने के लिए.
अच्छा
ट्रेडिशनली ये मैं ले आई हूँ.
कूल.
वैसे ट्रेडिशनली इसमें ड्राई फ्रूट्स होते हैं रोली.
तो इसमें सॉफ्ट है फिलहाल तो.
ड्राई फ्रूट और नारियल होते हैं. वो देखो क्या कर रहे हैं
बेटा, ये आपके मतलब का नहीं है. ओ इधर इधर.
ये तो तुमने बोला. हाँ. एंड दिस इज टेसू के फूल.
टेसू के फूल क्या होता है?
ये ट्रेडिशनल.
अच्छा हाँ, ये मुझे चाहिए. मुझे होममेड कलर्स के लिए चाहिए.
एंड दिस इज ट्रेडिशनल ठंडाई. इसे पीस के बनता है. वैसे मैं पाउडर भी लगेगा. सब वाली था ये था तो बनता है.
Cool. I got my mom to get me colors. We're soon going to make homemade colors. I can't wait to show you guys how to do it. अरे वीर ठंडाई का क्या करोगे तुम? ये तो ठंडाई नहीं खा सकता.
पी सकता है.
पी सकता है.
खिला लेना. इसमें क्या है?
पता
ये तो सारे नट्स है ना. ये
नट्स एंड रोज पेटल्स.
खरबूजा के बीज, सौंफ, इलायची एंड खसखस. मेन चीज
एंड रोज पेटल्स.
ये सारी चीजें होती हैं.
स्मेल बड़ी अच्छी है.
हाँ. इसके मॉर्निंग सोल की बहुत अच्छी होती है ठंडाई. एंड दिस इज ऑलरेडी
पिसी हुई.
मैं दोनों ले आई तुम्हारे ब्लॉग के.
थैंक यू मैम. अरे भी
दोनों कलर दोनों लेके चला गया है.
तुम होली खेल रहे हो?
पिचकारी अभी नहीं ली. मेरे को समझ नहीं आया इसके लिए पिचकारी. तो
छुपा रहे हो? अरे भी आप छुपा रहे हो? ये चीजें छुपाता है अगर लक्ष्य नहीं कर रहा.
छुपा रहा है. बलून
दे दो मम्मा को.
जो उसको पसंद है. ये है बेटा तुम्हारे. पता नहीं काइंड ऑफ ये बच्चों को ऐसे दिया जाता है. इसमें यहाँ एक नारियल होता है और बहुत सारे ड्राई फ्रूट.
हाँ मैंने देखा है ये थिंगी. पता नहीं है मेरी गुजी में तुम्हें गुजिया नहीं दे रहे थे, वो मम्मा की थी.
रहा है।
वो भी मम्मा का है।
हाँ। तो मैंने तुम्हारे लिए बना के रखा था, तुम्हारे लिए और तुम्हारी मम्मी के लिए।
अरे वीर, तुमने दोनों गुजिया ले ली। मम्मा क्या खाएगी? मम्मा को अब खाएगी। आपने दोनों गुजिया चुरा ली है। कहाँ स्ट्रॉबेरी नहीं खा रहा हूँ। मम्मा को दे दो।
देखो मैंने तो पहले रोली हेल्दी खिलाया था, अब वो गुजिया अपने आप ले रहे हैं तो इसमें मेरी
उसने गुजिया भी मम्मा को भी दे दो एक गुजिया। मम्मा को भी दे दो। दे दो।
एक मिनट आने दो मुझे।
दे दो मम्मा को एक गुजिया दे दो। अरे वीर,
मामी को दे रहा
मामी को दे दो।
मामी को दे रहा है गुजिया।
मम्मा को भी दे दो।
शोई कर रहा, दिया नहीं है।
हाँ जी, दिखा चढ़ा रहा था।
मेरी बाबा को तो दी थी इसने भी, मैंने कहा बाबा को दे दूं, दे दी।
गुजिया नहीं दे रहा किसी को। हाँ unpressed, and I think it's a little too long, but I love the print. Mommy, ले लो। नहीं। How cool is this? टप है। टोपी। मम्मी ले लो। अरे भी ले लो। इसके स्कूल में। We are at Pizza Express right now, and they just got us some oils which is so interesting. This is garlic, I'm guessing olive oil, and this is chili flavored olive oil. जिंजर पता है क्या था? एल आई गेस, नॉट श्योर। जिंजर, बट उसमें और भी चीज़ें लिखी थी जिंजर के अलावा, बट लुक्स सो फ्रेश, रियली नाइस। वेरी सॉलिड हिट ऑफ जिंजर, बट वेरी नाइस। मासी, मासी, मासी है।
मैं बस इसकी आवाज सुन के आई हूँ मैं।
And we are back, and that is all we shopped, which I'll show you in a minute. Alright, I'll show you my shopping. I got some books from Om Bookshop, and these are so amazing. These are for Aravi, obviously. And these, like, I haven't seen such books anywhere online, and I was like, oh my god, these are books on Bhagwan Ji's. This has a little story of Lord Krishna. Hi Devi, Krishna Ji ki kahani hai. And it's a board book, and it has like a little bit written on it. How cool is that? So we got one that has Lord Krishna, Saraswati, Shiva, Hanuman Ji, Durga Ji, Lakshmi Ji, and Ganesh Ji. We also got Kali Ji. We were also getting a deal in which we could, like, I think it says buy any 5 for 396. Otherwise, a single book is 99 rupees. So we got a dog and a monkey as well, because there were 8 books that were actually the goddesses and god books. अच्छी है ना? कितनी देख? Oh हाँ. कितनी cool है ना? So we also went to Mother Care in Mall of India, but the Mother Care in Mall of India is actually not really good. The variety is really less. Mall of India of Saket Mall is really nice, so I prefer going there. From H&M I got from Mother Care I didn't get any clothes, but I did get a baby safe mat, which is an anti-slip mat. So Aravi now likes to stand up when he's taking a bath, so this became a necessity. I also got these baby cotton wool pleats, which I've heard are really good to remove makeup, so that is why. Then again, Aravi doesn't have a lot of bath toys, he just has like a couple of ducks, so I got him a splash book, which is so cute. And then I got him a scoop and splash bath set, so there's a little net inside and then there are toys, which is so cute. This is for 445. The splash book is for 225. The cotton pads are 199, and the anti-slip mat is like, I don't know how much this is for. So now moving on to H&M, I got some things for myself from H&M, except for Aravi we got these anti-slip socks, which I think are so good. If your child is walking, you need these anti-slip socks. So we got these. These were for $3.99, which is great, for 3 pairs. For myself, I got, these are so cool. So I was searching for nursing slips anywhere and everywhere, and I didn't get it anywhere in India, but now H&M has them. So if you are a mom or a mom to be and you need nursing slips to wear inside t-shirts, go to H&M. They have basic white and black. They also have like printed ones, so if you're okay wearing spaghetti straps, or if you want to wear something inside a shrug or something, go to H&M and they will sort you out. Then I got this, which is a t-shirt which says NYC, and the main reason I love this are because of these stripes. So I got this t-shirt.
Oh, nice.
Nice, no? I like this.
When you are bored of it,
ये देखना पड़ेगा, हो सकता है मैं इसकी ना मैंने ट्राई नहीं की थी, बट आ जाएगी. This is for 999, क्योंकि ये ना like oversized है, like large है, तो large के लिए उन्होंने oversized बनाई है, तो XL को तो आ जाएगी.
आपको इसकी
समरी yet black.
हाँ नहीं nice. इसका प्रिंट अच्छा है.
हाँ मैंने भी इसी ले लिया.
हाँ.
I like the print. I got this top, which I love the print of, from H&M. This was for 1800. So that when I'm buying things that I really love, so like this top, I know that I'm going to wear it like all the time, then I don't check prices, because I'm like, I am going to get the money's worth anyways. I'm going to wear it. Like I had this top which I got from Marks and Spencer's at full price, and that was like 2300 or something, but I wore it every other day, so it was like worth the money, and I wore it till like 4 years, so it was totally worth it. Then I got this nice polka dot top. I love polka dot, but somehow I never find a top good enough that will look good on me, but I thought this looked nice, so I got this, and this was for again 1800. Next I got this t-shirt, which is a little A-line in shape, and it says to the moon and back, and I thought it was so cute, and the material is super soft, although it's full sleeve and I won't be able to wear it for a long time because summer's coming up, but to wear nowadays when the weather is still a little chilly in the evening, I thought this is really nice, and this was for 1300. Then I got this basic shrug. There are times when I love a sleeveless top, and then I'm like, I don't know, I feel uncomfortable wearing a sleeveless top, so I got this for that. This is a little transparent, so it doesn't look like I'm like wearing layers and layers in summers, but it's good to kind of wear on top of a sleeveless top, so that the sleeveless top also looks nice and I don't look nangu, so that. Then this, I really love this. This is, although this is again full sleeves and I won't be able to wear it till long, but it's a very long top. It's almost like a kurta length, but I really loved it. It's super simple, super plain, really nice. Then although I didn't want to buy Indian wear because I already had a lot of it, I still got some from Lifestyle because they had some amazing collection. I got this really nice white skirt to wear with tops. Not to wear with Indian tops, but to wear with t-shirts, you know, the whole cool look. So that. This is for, I love the print and I love the color combo. This is for 2100. Sorry for the background noises, but कुछ नहीं, मैं अपने कैमरा को बोल रही हूँ कि आप लोग पीछे से बहुत बात कर रहे हो, तो sorry. Then I got this kurta, which I thought is so cool. ये देख, ये अच्छा है ना?
हाँ, very you, especially the color.
है ना?
हाँ. Does it glow in the dark? No.
But hopefully it does. This is for 900. I really like it. इसे 900 का है.
ये 900 का है केवल.
अच्छा है ना?
हाँ. अब suddenly everybody. मैंने तो chocolate में बोला था.
इसके येलो भी है.
वो भी 900 है. ये भी अच्छा है.
I guess. हाँ.
अच्छे हैं. Reliance के ना?
Reliance के.
Nice summery holy
है ना?
type. हाँ.
Colourful है.
आप उसको होली पे पहन सकते हो. पता भी नहीं.
मेरे सारे वेस्टर्न वेयर डार्क होते हैं और इंडियन वेयर कलरफुल होते हैं.
हाँ.
Which is weird.
नहीं. मतलब काले हम इंडियन वेयर कहाँ पहन के जा सकते हैं.
जा सकते हैं.
नॉर्मली कलरफुल होते हैं.
हाँ, भोबो है.
होते भी नहीं है.
ये देखो भोबो है. अब मैंने भी काली साड़ी लिया.
मैं भी लेने वाली हूँ.
ये लो. अच्छा सॉरी. क्या हुआ? आपको भी आना. अच्छा. And this is Aryaveer. I did not buy him. आप अपनी शॉपिंग समझा दी? आप तो सो गए थे. Then एक चीज और दिखाती हूँ. देख. लेगिंग.
ओह.
सही है. मैं प्लेन टॉप लाई हूँ. उसके साथ बिल्कुल प्लेन है.
And you can wear this in like a plain kurti also.
हाँ.
Like इसी कलर की जिसका प्रिंट है.
ये ब्राउन थी ना.
हाँ. Plain.
I
अच्छा
like
हो.
it.
अच्छा लगेगा.
I got this leggings which I think are so cute. I usually don't like printed leggings, but I really love this.
Nice print because
हाँ.
अलग अलग वो पूरा पैटर्न नहीं है.
हाँ, and plus जो color है वो इतने contrasting नहीं है कि weird लगे.
Weird लगे. हाँ.
I
Like
love it.
stripes नहीं है.
Exactly. This is for 700. Then another legging to go with the yellow kurta, basically.
I like the lace इसके
है
नीचे.
ना? I'm not sure कि ये ठीक लगेगा, but like lace. But I was like try करके देखते हैं. नहीं इतना चाहिए. It has a little lace detail. I don't wear
Normally.
such things.
हाँ, I also don't wear such things, but
Sometimes it looks nice.
It looks
Summers में
nice.
अच्छा लगेगा
हाँ.
because chappals and all.
you can, in fact, even wear this with a longer top. If you
हाँ.
got this in like black or something, you could wear this with a longer top. Because I think ये थोड़ा
ऊपर ankle length टाइप भी लग रही है ना.
हाँ.
But मेरी height छोटी है ना तो ये मेरा full आएगा. Then I got this t-shirt.
Nice.
Hot top.
Really nice.
है ना? These two together.
No.
नहीं?
No.
But
Wear this skirt with a pink shirt.
हाँ but that's not. वो तो फिर normal है ना.
Pink shirt के साथ तो normal.
हाँ pink shirt. हाँ or like collared shirt.
Collared shirt. अगर ये printed ना होती ना t-shirt तो आप पहन सकते थे.
Plain type के साथ. And this was for 1,000. Super soft and I like it. Then I got these socks from Ginger. I have socks from Ginger before as well, and they're also really cute. I love the print. I love the print on them. This is a bundle of 3 socks for 200 rupees, which I thought is good. Then this is again a normal plain legging which I needed. This I love. Okay, I have been looking everywhere for such a top with things on it. I don't think it's my size. I need to get thinner for this, but I want to wear this opened up, like the buttons opened up. Comment down below if you want me to do like a try on how I'll style all these clothes kind of a video, and I'll do that. So anyways, this is from Only, and this is for 1700. But I love it so much, and it's super soft, and I think it looks so cool with button to open up, a plain t-shirt inside. Oh, आपकी दिखाऊं शॉपिंग? आपकी दिखाऊं शॉपिंग? The most exciting shopping of all. Shopping for Ivy. आप सो गए थे जब ये लिया हमने. हाँ, आप सो रहे थे. This says best kid ever because you are. I just got summer clothes for Ivy. It's so cool. Look. Mickey Mouse. Yes. ये sorry, आपको नहीं दिखाया. Mickey Mouse. You like it? You like it?
भैया भैया
भैया कौन भैया? He's been saying भैया since yesterday. कौन भैया बेटा?
भैया
भैया कहाँ है? Then this T-shirt which I thought is so summery. This is for 400 and it's from a company called Juniors. All of this is from Lifestyle. The Disney T-shirt is again from Juniors and it's for 400. Best Kid Ever T-shirt is again from Junior and it's for 300. This little shirt says ahoy and ahoy there mate, and this is from Mini Club and it's for 700. And my husband loves these sleeveless T-shirts on RV, so I was like, summer's coming, we have a wedding in Goa to go to, so he needs clothes for those. Then tiny little denim shorts. How cute are these? They're faded and everything. These are for 800 and they're from again Juniors. Then this again it says ahoy. This was a set, this and the other blue t-shirt. This says ahoy mate. They were both for, wait, these are both together for 700, so this was like a set. And then we got some slippers for our baby. How cute, how cute. These are for 1,000 rupees and these are like so cute. From Om Bookstore I also got these Hindi flashcards. Now I know Aravi is still a little too young for flashcards, but I got it anyways, especially because my Hindi is really bad. So even though I speak Hindi and well, pretty much I can only speak Hindi properly, I can read Hindi, but I'm really bad and I need a lot of time and I'm really slow and I don't remember e a lot of it. I just remember ka kha ga gha ra cha da. See, I need these for myself rather than for Aravin, and I was like, if I am bad at something I need to kind of practice before I teach this little boy. So shirt niche karo, shirt niche karo. Back. I think I want to go and take my makeup off because for some reason my skin is becoming very itchy, so I'm going to take this makeup off. I'm going to end my vlog here. We just had dinner. Nothing really else is going to happen right now, so thank you so much for joining me today in our little shopping adventure. If you enjoy a vlog like these, then make sure to click that subscribe button and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.